Are you ready to discover the meaning of the Strength Tarot card? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what this card means in any kind of reading, whether it's love, career, finance, spirituality, or a simple general reading. Plus, I'm also going to show you how to interpret this card if it's upright or reversed, and that way you'll never be stuck on this card again. So let's dive in. Now, the Strength card represents strength, courage, persuasion, influence, and compassion. And in the Strength card, you can see that there is a woman who's gently stroking a lion on its forehead and its jaw. And even though it's known for its ferociousness, the woman has tamed this wild beast with her calming, loving energy. And the lion is a symbol of our raw passions and desires. And in taming him, the woman is showing that this animal instinct and raw passion within us can be expressed in positive ways when inner strength and resilience are applied. Now, she doesn't use force or coercion. She's actually channeling her inner strength to subdue and then subtly control the lion. The Strength card represents strength, determination, and power, just like the Chariot card. However, while the Chariot signifies outer strength and will, the Strength card speaks to the inner strength and then the human spirit's ability to overcome any obstacle. And strength is really about knowing that you can endure life's obstacles. You've got this stamina and persistence, and then balanced with this underlying patience and inner calm. And you're committed to doing what you need to do, and you go about it in a way that shows your composure and your maturity. Now, when the Strength Tarot card appears in a reading, you are really fueled by your inner strength and your personal power, your strong will and determination. And you don't try and rule by controlling others. You actually have this really nice, quiet influence and persuasion. And what it means is that others might underestimate your power because it's so invisible, but you should actually see that as an advantage because you can control a situation without that excessive outward force. No one actually knows it's you calling the shots. Now, your strength also gives you the confidence to overcome any growing fears, challenges, or doubts. And this card reminds you, just feel the fear and do it anyway. Now, if you've been going through a bit of a rough time and maybe you're feeling a bit burnt out or stressed, then the Strength card really encourages you to find that power within yourself again and keep persevering. You've got what it takes to see this situation through until the eventual end. The Strength card also urges you to tame your animal instincts, those gut reactions, those raw emotions, and to channel these initial responses constructively. So it's normal for feelings like anger, rage, sadness, guilt, or shame to arise in certain situations. However, it's what you do with these emotions that makes it all the difference. So now is a time when you need to be really conscious of those instinctual urges and bring them into balance with the greater good. This is not a time to act out in rage and hatred. Instead, approach your situation from a place of forgiveness, love, and compassion. And working with a therapist might also help you create some of those coping strategies for whatever comes up. Now, when it comes to relationships and love, the Strength card reflects that you're feeling really confident in your relationships and you're at peace with where things stand. You've learned how to manage your insecurities, and now you're building the inner strength and wisdom to really grow the relationship and move it forward. Now, if you're looking for love, then the Strength card advises you to keep persevering. You're on the right track. You're staying in these high spirits and you represent yourself as this confident individual. So with this positive attitude, you are likely to find the right partner soon. Now, when it comes to career, work, and finances, the Strength card suggests that your workplace might be a bit challenging, but you've got the inner strength to survive and overcome any obstacles. Now, if others are playing a bit of a power game, your subtle influence and gentle persuasion is going to really help to guide the situation back to your favor. Financially, Strength shows you that you've actually managed your finances really well over the years, and now you can start to enjoy the rewards. You might even be considering buying a home or another big ticket item, having saved a significant deposit. Now, if you see the Strength card in a spiritual reading, then it indicates that you're reaching a state of higher awareness by learning how to really express your raw emotions constructively. So fear and ego are no longer in the driver's seat. Instead, you've discovered how to channel your power for the highest good. Now, what if you see the Strength card reversed in your reading? Well, when the reverse Strength card appears in your reading, you can tune into your current levels of inner strength, confidence, and self-belief. So are you overflowing with self-confidence or are you a bit depleted? And then how can you bring these aspects back into balance? Now, if you've recently experienced a setback, you may be feeling a bit vulnerable and lacking in self-confidence. Just know that your core strength will always be with you, and now is as good a time as any to really reconnect with this power. In fact, you might actually be holding more strength and resilience than you've given yourself credit for. So be kind to yourself. You're also advised to check in on your energy levels right now. So maybe you've been feeling a bit sluggish or depleted. Well, this card invites you to take a moment for yourself and restore your energy levels through rest and replenishment. It's so important that you take care of yourself so that you can take care of others. Now, in its shadow form, the reverse strength card can signal that you are prone to explosive behavior. Maybe you're lashing out at others and you get a little bit aggressive at times. You might be acting without thinking, and then you end up doing something that you regret later. Now, the key is not to repress that raw emotion, but learn how to channel it so that you won't harm others or yourself. Now, if you want to learn more about the tarot cards, then I've got something really special for you. It is my Tarot Card Meanings reference guide. It's absolutely free. Click on the link below to get instant access, and you will never go blank in a reading again. And of course, if you want to learn about how to read tarot in a more modern and approachable way, there's so much for you to learn and explore here at Biddy Tarot. We've literally helped millions of people all around the world to develop their tarot skills and read the cards with confidence. And of course, we would love to help you do the same. So take the next step in your tarot journey by clicking below. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.